everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. You know guys that often we download games or application on Play Store that are large in size. The download process will be delayed or a notification appears waiting for Wi-Fi. This is actually not annoying, but it can slow us down to be able to download and open or play the game we want to install. So now I'm gonna show you how to remove notification waiting for Wi-Fi while downloading apps on Play Store on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, first thing, go to Play Store and then you can click Profile over there and then you can click Settings. So now you can select Network Preference and then you can click App Download Preference. So now you can enable over any network data change may apply. Or you can select Ask Me every time. Alright, if you are finished, you can click OK and you're done. Alright, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.